So today we're going to compare the political systems for Central America, South America, and the Caribbean. Now, on this assignment, you're going to have 3 tabs open. So you're going to be maneuvering around a lot. If you are on an iPad or a tablet, it might be a little bit more difficult for you, but we'll figure this out when the time comes. So what you're going to fill out is the country, or you're going to have a country. You're going to have to tell me, is it a region or is it a continent? Now, this example here is for United States, so that's a North America continent. But for Central America, the Caribbean, and South America, 2 of them are regions and 1 of them is a continent. And you should know that from the work we did the other day. You're going to tell me what type of political system they have, the freedom status, the freedom score, and then you are making an inference based on all the data you have right here, whether they are limited or an unlimited government. So this is the chart you're going to be filling out. So your first country is Belize. You need to tell me, or you need to figure out where Belize is. So you're going to click on political systems. It's going to open up this Junior Scholastic Atlas. Then you're going to open up freedom status, and it's going to open up the Freedom House map, which we've done before. On the atlas, you're going to focus on the region and continent we're on, which is over here. I use this microscope to zoom in. So we're right here in Central America, the Caribbean, and then this big continent of South America. So you need to locate Belize. Belize is right here. You're going to click on Belize, and this should pop up for you. I know if you're on a tablet or an iPad, it may not pop up, and you have to maneuver, but this should pop up. So the first thing you're going to fill out is it in a region or is it a continent? Belize is in a region, and the region is Central America. And how do I know that? Well, because I've been telling you guys that that's what we're working on. And so, there's my pencil. Central America, the Caribbean, and then I don't need to draw a big old line around the continent of South America. Oh, why didn't I have to do all that? All right, so that's for Belize. Then we're going to answer the second part. What is their political system? Get away. Oh, here we go. Their political system. Oh, there it is. Parliamentary democracy. So I will type that in right here. Parliamentary democracy. When you get to freedom status, that is going to be a different search engine. So now I'm going to be on the map. Before I get there, remember Belize was up here. And if I need to, I can zoom in some more. And Belize is right here. This little blue country next to Guatemala. So here is my map. I'm going to zoom in. Belize is this green one right there. When I hover over it, it tells me that's Belize, and then there's Guatemala. So I click on Belize, and it's 86 over 100. So I'm sorry, freedom status. So it says that they're free. So let me type in parliament. I think it was democracy. And then it's free. Now I need to tell you the score, and I believe it was 86 over 100. So 86 over 100. And now I have to figure out, are they limited or unlimited? Okay, well, they have a democracy, which is the same as the United States, democracy. Now, we don't have a parliamentary democracy, but democracy is more leaning towards they have a limited government. They're free, and they have a pretty high freedom score. So I'm going to guess that they are limited. You're going to do the same for Honduras, Cuba, Dominican Republic, Colombia, Venezuela, and Brazil. For Honduras, you need to locate it. Which region, which continent? You're using the map. There's Honduras. Click on it, same thing. And then you're going to go all the way across. Once you fill out this chart, you're now going to rank them as the most free and the least free based on the information you have. So make sure you're paying attention to these 2 columns when you're ranking them. So you just drag them. I'm just gonna, go in order. This is not the correct order, but that's what you're gonna do. On the last slide, it says, in which country from the table can you infer that the citizens have the most rights? So based on that chart, which ones have the most, which ones have the least? And then you're going to write a paragraph comparing the two countries that you chose above. So citizens in blank, which would be this one, have more rights and freedoms than citizens in blank. I can infer. So you're going to answer all these blanks by looking at that chart you have. And that is it.